Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ozaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, eastern Fond du Lac County and east central Wisconsin, northeastern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:16 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near St. Anna to near Lomira, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sheboygan, Fond du Lac, Plymouth, Sheboygan Falls, North Fond du Lac, Howard's Grove, Muidsburg, Kohler, Cedar Grove, Campbellsport, Randon Lake, Elkhart Lake, Southern Lake Winnebago, Taycheedah, Ashford, Greenbush, Eden, Mount Calvary, Cascade and Adel. People attending the Fond du Lac County Fair should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.